Hey everybody, it's Jeff Olson with Milk and Cookies Painting, and today is mail day. We got this awesome package from Jerry's Artarama, and we're gonna open it and see what's inside. Are we ready? Go ahead and cut the sides of this. And my knife needs to be sharpened. Must have worn it out. Okay, let's see what's in here. Cool, they sent us 12 acrylic color set. Awesome. It's by Creative Inspirations. Looks really cool. I'll open that up so you can see what's inside in a minute. Got some nice packaging here. Ooh, they also sent us some Soho Urban Acrylic colors. Soho's a really cool brand. I'm excited to use these and see how they turn out. They also, oh look, Kaleidoscope, more of the Creative Impressions stuff. And ooh, they sent us a brush set. This is by Creative Mark. Brush and crate art set. Oh nice, so it has little spots in there so that it can dry the brushes when they're wet. Let's see what else is in here. We have more packing, of course. Ooh, we have some long-handled brushes. These are also by Creative Mark. Awesome, look at those, those are cool. Zoom in on that or not, but that's okay. All right, and then they sent, but wait, there's more. Some Creative Impressions, more brushes. Look at those brushes, awesome. These look like 3/4 inch flat brushes. These are great, we use these all the time. We'll definitely use these. And then here's another Creative Impressions box. I think these are more brushes, but I think what these are is, yep, these are 1/2 inch brushes. These are nice brushes. I like the plastic because the brushes that we've been using before have been wooden and painted, and they kind of flake the paint. So it'll be interesting to see if this will be a better option for us. And then one last set of brushes in here, it looks like. There's some little brushes, which I'm happy to have. Everybody likes little brushes. Get those details and things worked out. Tiny brushes, number 2 brushes. Those are awesome. Well, thank you so much, Jerry's Artarama. And we're gonna be totally stoked to start using all of this stuff. Let's take a peek at inside this box of acrylic colors and see what we got in here. Let's move the Soho brushes over for a second. Awesome. Comes with a handy dandy carrying case. Ooh, look at all those colors. Got red and purple. And that's black in there. Ooh, look at that orange, it's so vibrant. I can't wait to try that out. Some of our our oranges kind of come out dull, and that looks like it'll stay nice and vibrant for us. Ultramarine, brown, it looks like burnt sienna, and yellow ochre. And we have some phthalo blue, phthalo. And then we have some cadmium yellow, of course, and it looks like titanium white. Crimson, so nice. We've got two. We've got permanent red and crimson, which is nice to have the option. And we have light green. Awesome. Thank you so much, Creative Impressions.